Hey guys, so I am at the Delhi airport and I'm going to San Francisco, and so it took some time in the immigration process. I mean, I was that random guy, they stop some random guy every time, so I was that random guy. And as you can see, this is the Delhi airport, the international one. Hey guys, so I am here at the Google campus, and right now I just finished one interview with Chris Sells, who is the product manager in the Flutter team, and I'm gonna upload it pretty soon. So I'll let you know when it's going to be published. And right now I'm outside 1808 building, and we had a feedback session going on. So this is the Google campus. You can see it's a huge campus, so I cannot let you go through everywhere, but tomorrow is the Google I/O and I'm gonna come, and maybe I will upload these videos after the events. But then also I just wanted you to know that these are the things which I am doing. So I'm right now looking for collecting the badge for the Google I/O, which is happening from tomorrow. So let's see where I can get that. So I'll probably come again. Bye bye. So guys, I'm gonna show you where people are getting badges and all. So I have got my badge and something else. I'm just gonna go over it. And then I got this particular stuff. I don't know what it is. Then we got this speaker. So guys, I am at Intel I/O party. I'm gonna just show you that what we are getting. So I have got a bag from Intel. So this is the bag. पोकोफोन की तारीफ मैंने कब करी? फेसबुक की थी भाई। पोकोफोन ले लो, आईफोन ले लो, मतलब ये गलत है। ओ भाई Hey guys, so this is the first day of Google I/O 2019, and I'm just out of my apartment. It looks good, right? So I'll catch you again with some more folks around Google I/O, and let's see what happens. So I'm gonna show you the line, and as you can see, this is the biggest line I have seen. Oh my god, this is the line which I'm talking about. So I'm going there as well. यही होगा ना? Hi everyone. So we are here at the amphitheater.
Hi everyone, my name is Sari and I am also a Flutter GP. Actually, I learned a lot of stuff from Pavan, so thank you Pavan for everything. No. And yeah, it's really good to meet new people, have the others, and like if you are around Berlin also, just hit me up and we can talk about Flutter.
You want to use the audience?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
I'm Mustafa. I'm from Turkey. GDG Urfa chapter organizer leader. Again, this IO is awesome.
Yeah.
I like it.
So it's from Turkey.
Yes, I'm from Turkey.
YouTube.
Yeah.
You're streaming now?
Yeah. Not streaming. I'll post it later.
Okay.
I'll edit this. Don't worry.
So I'm Lara. I do Android. I like Flutter. And we are now.
You are from the Flutterista community, right?
Yes.
That's a different community. So we will come back. The session is started. क्या क्या लेना है भाई ये बता दो।
ये कल नहीं था।
ये वाला तुझे ये लेना था क्या?
ये लेना था। मैं ये ले लिया।
रात में कहीं रखा हुआ होगा उसके बाद। अभी ले लिया मैंने। थैंक यू बोलो। ऐसे दोबारा बोलो।
Yes, sir. I'm good. Hi, Ashit. Say hi, Bapu. Hi, Bapu. Hi,
हाय बापू।
Hello.
बापू बापू किधर है? इधर है बापू।
Bapu, हाँ. I'm Bapu.
ये सर्किट बापू को जोड़ गया।
एक लाख चलो. हाँ, चलो भाई. गांधी गुजराती. ना, गांधी, बापू गांधी. इसे एक लाख चलो. वॉक लो. वो पता नहीं. पता नहीं. You can catch me at your Apple consumer. YouTube.
So you are here for the IO?
Yeah, of course. Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, that's awesome.
How you been enjoying IO?
It's been good. This is my first time.
Oh,
And
that's
luckily
my
I
first
found
too.
you. Only- Hey, hi guys. So I'm at IO day 2, and as you can see, something around me. So this is the Google IO day 2, and I'm trying to experience a lot of things here. And I'm traveling like from one place to another place for no reason. I'm not attending any kind of talks right now, but what I believe is I'm gonna take few interviews of few people. So before that, I'm just gonna let you go through the Google IO sandboxes. So let me just show you the Flutter sandbox. So it's around here, and I'm gonna just show you that. People are watching me like what I'm doing, but it's fine. So a lot of people here. So this is the Flutter sandbox, which I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so this is CR plus Flutter, and we'll go inside after some time. I'll probably do something. Here's another guy from Google. So someone just went inside. I'm gonna go around somewhere and we'll find more people, and let's see what happens. So that was the Flutter sandbox. I'm gonna switch to another camera so that I can show you what's happening around here. So just wait for it. Before that, I'm just gonna show you another sandbox, which is Web plus Chrome OS. Okay, and payments. And it's been a great day, and it's around 17 degrees Celsius temperature here, which is like in India it's around 40 plus, especially in Delhi. So I'm feeling like wow. So right now I'm here, I'm going. Oh, it's huge place. And let me just open so you can see behind me. There's a lot of sandboxes, and there is code labs also happening somewhere. So basically there are a lot of stages. This is the community lounge. I'm just gonna show you. So this is the community lounge, and I'm gonna switch to the camera, another camera.
What do you guys see? A watermelon? Watermelon.
Digitally responsible, so it is women Google next to their employees and everyone is responsible. For example, we have Google has shuttles on home and there is Wi-Fi in the
guys, so this is the last day of me in
Thank